Hi everybody, this is Alan Ellman, the Blue Collar Investor, and welcome to this new video, Volume, a Critical Technical Analysis Tool. As many of you know, we use technical analysis in the Blue Collar system for several reasons. First, stock selection. We also use it for our buy-sell decisions. In addition to that, we use technical analysis for strike selection, determining, for example, whether we're going to go with an out of the money, at the money, or in the money strike price. And finally, we use technical analysis for our exit strategy determinations. Now, one of the tools critical to technical analysis is the volume, because we use volume to confirm the price chart of the stock and other technical analysis tools, for example, the MACD histogram and the stochastic oscillator. So let's first start with a couple of key points relating to volume. First, a review of the definition. Volume is the number of shares traded in a given time period, normally one trading day. It's viewed in the form of a histogram or a bar chart, which is normally located below the price chart. It confirms trends and chart patterns. If the price of the stock is going up, is that confirmed with volume? If the MACD is turning bearish, is that confirmed with volume? So there are several ways we could use volume to confirm other aspects of our technical analysis. If there is a negative volume divergence, where the volume is trending in the opposite direction of, let's say, the price, that could indicate a trend reversal. An important thing to remember is that volume normally precedes price. So if we see the price of our stock going up and volume weakening, that's a red flag that things may be changing. Let's take a look at this chart that I constructed. And I want you to take a look first at the red arrows that I drew at the bottom of the chart. These are the volume bars or the volume histogram. And in the two places where the arrows are heading north, I want you to take a look at what those increasing volumes are confirming. First, let's go all the way to the top of the chart where I constructed the two blue arrows. We see that the price of the stock is declining significantly in both places. Is that price decline significant? Well, the fact that the volume is increasing is telling us yes, it is. We're confirming that price decline. Let's take a look at the MACD where we have the blue histogram bars. Where I drew the two green circles, it's showing a negative MACD divergence, MACD dropping below the zero line. Volume is confirming that. And finally, we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, which we see with the two red circles dropping below the 80th percentile, once again a bearish signal, and once again confirmed by that increase in volume. So this chart pattern, at those times, we could say that the decrease in price and the bearish MACD and stochastic signals are confirmed by the increase in volume. I have one more chart to show you here. And in this chart, I want you to first take a look at the red arrows. And the red arrows show an increase in volume at the bottom, and that's confirming the increase in the price of the stock at the top. But next I want you to take a look at what happens with the price once it stops accelerating. It starts trending sideways, even slightly down. Now what is the volume telling us? Well, the volume certainly has weakened since the price of the stock started going up where the top red arrow is. Weakening volume could indicate a trend reversal. And lo and behold, if you take a look at the green arrow, we have a huge trend reversal where the stock starts declining from 50 down to about 35. Now, is that trend as we're watching it go down significant? Well, once again, we take a look at volume where I drew the large green circle, and we see that those volume bars are much, much higher than the volume that preceded that. So it went from a weakening volume, which was indicating a trend reversal, and then a much greater volume, which is confirming the price decline. So when we look at a price chart with the technical indicators, we're never looking at just one indicator. We're not looking at just the volume. We're looking at a mosaic of several technical parameters, and we're painting a picture that's going to help guide us. Where you see the green arrow going down, confirmed by volume, we would never consider buying a stock with this technical pattern. However, at the beginning of the price increase, where we see the MACD going up and the stochastic oscillator going up, confirmed by volume, we would probably go in for that ride for the month and a half or so when it was going up. So looking at the entire picture, not just one indicator, is how we handle in the blue collar system our investment decisions. So just to review, volume is an essential technical analysis tool, but it's never used by itself. It confirms a price pattern or another technical analysis indicator, and we use it to corroborate or confirm our buy-sell signals. Now, if you should get a volume surge of, let's say, 1.5 times the normal volume, that is especially significant. For example, if your stock is trending sideways and is having problems breaking above resistance, but then all of a sudden does break above resistance, and we take a look and we see that it's on a volume surge of 1.5 times its normal volume, I would take that change in the price pattern very seriously. So I hope you found this video useful. You can visit my website for more information at thebluecollarinvestor.com, or write me directly at alan@thebluecollarinvestor.com. And at the website you can also join my mailing list, and I look forward to hearing from you. Best of luck to all of you in your investing, and thanks again for watching this video. Take care, everybody.